Hi guys, welcome back to part two of this video checkout creation demo. So we were explaining to you in detail how to customize social proof pop-up notifications from your Shopify store in real time using webhooks. So if you've seen the initial steps in part one of this video, you may continue and follow the steps. So we had already created uh, a webhook on our Shopify store under the event checkout creation, and we have sent a test notification. All right, and I already explained to you that the data tab under the data tab you can see all the yeah, this is the webhook that was sent, right, and all the data here. So what I have done is I have already created a list of variables that I want to customize in this pop-up for this video. And once those once those variables are put in, every time there's a transaction on your Shopify store, the values against that variable will display. So, for example, if you put an email as a variable in brackets, pop-up will display the email ID, right? So I'm going to show you there how we do it. Okay. So you have to make sure that this toggle is on before you send the test notification. Otherwise, you will not see this test notification captured here if this is off. So remember that. And most of all, you initially need a test notification, create real-time pop-up notifications. All right. Yeah. So this is what it will look like when you put the variables in. So let's quickly go in here. So for the conversion title, all right, I have already copied and pasted the conversion title which I have created. For the conversion description, I'm going to go in here, right? Okay, and then the image URL, you can just quickly go in and grab an image from any of the library. I use icons 8. They have a good collection of images. You can just select any, copy the image address, go back in here, delete this, add it here. A notification URL. If you want to put in the notification URL, you can. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. What happens if you define the notification URL? If when somebody clicks on that pop-up, it will take them to that particular page, right? So let's leave this off for now, right? And then we hit update. Okay, now we go into our Shopify store, refresh the page. There, that's it. This is the pop-up that we just customized. Bob Miller from Kentucky, US, bought Sheen women sleeve casual solid pullover. Gives the description, the quantity, and you can put the price in here also. If you put the price variable, it will capture the prices. This is the image that we copied it. All right. So thank you, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any doubts, then uh, you need to look up the FAQs or the help desk. We have detailed, documented steps and guides on how you can do all the customizations, both manual and real-time pop-up notifications. So thank you for the time. Watch this tutorial.